Hello folks, this is a quick tutorial on how to make some very tasty taco dip. We're going to take you through step by step the process that we use. If you're hosting a gathering or going to a gathering, this is a very simple dish to prepare that is liked by many. Truly, you can never go wrong with serving taco dip. Let's get started by gathering everything that we need. Let's grab some sour cream, certainly tortilla chips. We like to use romaine lettuce, medium-sized black olives, a full can of bean dip, 1 tomato, 1 avocado. We need a 12-inch serving dish, a yellow onion, a packet of taco seasoning mix, green onions, and 8 to 12 ounces of Colby-Jack cheese shredded. Now when you're making taco dip, it's truly just about making all the different layers, and we start off with making the bean dip as the base layer. So we take the full can and spread that evenly across that 12-inch serving dish. That's looking really good right there. The next layer, we go with sour cream. Normally we do about 4 ounces of sour cream, and that looks pretty close to what we have left in the container, so we're just going to finish this off. And again, we're just spreading this layer out evenly across the full dish on top of that bean dip. This is probably slightly less sour cream than we normally use, but one of the great things about making taco dip is there's a lot of flexibility. Here we grab that taco seasoning packet and gently spread that out evenly right over the sour cream. And again, this is a matter of preference on how much you use. That looks really good there. Here we grab about 1/4 of that yellow onion and throw it in this fancy gizmo to make that diced up. Just like that. Then we again evenly spread that out. There we go. Now we move on to grabbing an avocado and scooping out all the good contents from inside of there. This handy tool is something I got my wife a couple Christmases ago, and she loves this thing. Being able to clear that out nice and evenly and thoroughly from that outer skin. Here you take the avocado and you really want to mash this up very thoroughly. Using a fork is usually best. The point here is to remove any lumps from the avocado. And then you want to take small scoops that you spread across the entire dish. Just like that. Now it's really starting to come together. That just looks beautiful. So if your olives are not already sliced, you want to slice those up, the number of olives that you want to have on your dish. And again, you're spreading those out evenly. This looks good for what we like here. After that, you're doing the same thing with the tomatoes. Slice those up into small bits, and then you're again spreading those out evenly across everything to your liking. We are getting very close now. Here we're going to take about 8 ounces of Colby-Jack cheese and shred it if it's not already shredded. And then again, you guessed it, we're going to spread that out evenly for the next layer. That's looking really good with all those colors together. Next, grab your rinsed off romaine lettuce and go ahead and use kitchen scissors to spread that out in small pieces, again on this next layer. And after you're satisfied with that, you do the same exact thing with the green onion. For us, we're just using 1 green onion, and that tops it off. Man, that looks delicious. And certainly you can serve it now, but we highly recommend letting it cool in a refrigerator for 1 hour before serving. This last step, yeah, that's my favorite. We appreciate you watching, and we'd love to hear from you in the comments. You take care and be blessed.